started to see a shift in the mindset from I'm not sure if I can do it to yes, let's give it a try. What's the worst thing that'll happen? Why I came to work with Captain was because I had shifted my job from being at another firm and had newly joined EY. From EY to PwC, I had newly joined PwC. The transition for me was a little difficult, where I was in a similar kind of a role that I was playing, yet different because now it was more in the leadership role, and I was struggling a little bit with how do I mold myself as a leader? And after 12 sessions of working with Captain, I can definitely say that I have seen a lot of improvement from where I was back in October to where I am today. Yes, I'm still work in progress, but I do see a big shift in how I am working with my team, how I am working with my leadership, how I am with myself. I think that was also a very big shift that I've started to see. I did have a lot of procrastination issues until that I need to do it and I need to focus on it. With doing all the gatekeeper tasks and doing the will boot camp with Captain and his team, I've started to see a shift in that from being hesitant and procrastinating to writing my journal, to doing that on a regular basis, saying my affirmations. I think all in all, everything put together has helped me to start to bloom, I would say. And like I said, still work in progress. There are still times when I falter. I come back to Captain with the same issues, and we have similar discussions that I've had previously. But I think those are just, I look at them now as reminders for me, because those are the areas which require me to put in more effort, which require me to put in more work. When I started working with Captain, there were times when I was not feeling settled in my new role. I wasn't sure of how things will be and how things are going. Today, after 3-4 months of working with Captain, I can definitely say that I feel much more settled at job, much more settled at work, where I am able to take things up, and I've started to see a shift in the mindset from I'm not sure if I can do it to yes, let's give it a try. What's the worst thing that'll happen? Even if I fail, there's something that I'm going to learn. I think the one big takeaway for me is definitely to switch the way I work with different kinds of people. I think for me, just understanding the difference of, working with different people has helped me not only professionally but also personally. I think that is one big takeaway, and I cannot stop at one. The other is just being gentle on myself and loving myself a little bit more every single day.